Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning once again. So I hope all of you remember the concepts that we have studied till last class, right everyone? Tell me, raise your hand. How many of you remember? Yes, very good. Prahlad remembers. What about everyone else? Yes, in quadratic equation, what we were studying? In quadratic equation, what we were studying? Solving problems, yes. So we were talking about till last class, right? Till last class, the concept that we covered was relationship between roots and the quadratic equation. Yes or no, right? Means if we know the roots of an equation, we can find, or if we know the sum and product of roots, then we can find the equation. Yes or no? Yes or no, right? Yes, I hope all of you remember that concept. Yes, so we studied that we can use these relationships, these identities to form the equation if we have different kind of conditions. For example, if roots are reciprocal, if roots are squared, right? So we can solve these kind of problems. Okay, now today we will be focusing on problem solving, right? How to solve different kind of quadratic equations. Because sometimes quadratic equation is not directly given. Okay, sometimes the quadratic equation will not be directly given, right? Instead, you have to form that. Okay, for example, I'll just give you one example. Okay, for example, this quadratic equation. Tell me this quadratic equation. If you look at it, you might seems that okay, this is not a quadratic equation because if we solve, we might get x to the power 4. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Not x to the power 4, but x to the power 3. Right? X to the power 3. We might get x to the power 3. After taking LCM and all the things, right? Okay. No, we will get x square only, right? Okay, first of all, we'll get x square only. We won't be getting x cube or x this. I'm loud, right? Because everyone, am I loud enough? Morning, Shak. Morning, Puneet. Right? Because I'm loud enough, everyone is able to hear me clearly. Okay. So see, when you talk about these kind of problems, think about it. When you talk about these kind of problems, so first, obviously, we have to make it simpler. Yes or no? Tell me. That is what intuition is. Don't you think that we have to make it simpler? Because if we are going to solve this, right? If I ask you to solve this, so some of you might do this. Okay, let's do it. Let's expand x squared by x plus 1 whole square minus 5 x by x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Square, multiply, right? Take LCM, then solve, right? That's one way to solve. But obviously, that would be very difficult or tedious way. You can solve like that, but that would be tedious. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Tell me, think about it. Yes or no? Yes. So we must think of some another way, right? Some another easy way to solve. Now, can tell me what can be that easy way? Navya, Yashika, Yashila, sorry. Tell me, Nitin. No,
Sir,
no,
we
no,
can
not
take x
completing
by
squares,
x plus
not
1
completing.
as a variable, sir, single variable.
Yes, right? You can substitute, right? Substitution. Hannah, substitution. So this is what we will be doing, right? That is what you have to learn. That is what you have to think. Substitution, we have to make this equation in a simpler form. So I can notice, okay, what is this? I can say, okay, x by 1, x plus 1 whole square and x by x plus 1. So I can say, okay, instead of taking x as a variable, why not take x by x plus 1 completely as a variable? Tell me, why not? Do that. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. If I do that, then I can say, no, I'm not muted. I'm not muted, Shakib. Everyone can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shakib, I'm not muted. I'm speaking. Okay, right? So see, if I can take this variable as another variable, I can do that, right? Because variable means it can change. So my equation will become something like this: y square plus 6 minus 5y is equal to 0. Right? Very good, Krishna. Very good. Right, Krishna, you're getting everything, Krishna? You're understanding each and everything? Yes? Okay, very good. Now, can you solve this equation? Tell me now, can you solve? Think about it. After substituting, can you solve? Everyone can solve. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Anyone have any issues? Till this point, anyone have any issues? Yes, by splitting the middle term or use formula, doesn't matter, right? You can use formula also now. Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 2ac by, sorry, minus 4ac by 2a, right? Yes. So now we got the value of y. We actually got the value of y, but we don't, right? We need the value of x. So we know that y was what? Y was x by x plus 1. Yes or no? That's what we did, right? That's what the substitution. Now this can either be 2, right? So let's solve for 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 into this, which is 2x plus 2. Then this will go this side, this will go this side. Then I can say, okay, x is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? If,
Yes,
x,
sir.
if y is equal to 2x, then x is equal to minus 2. Now, suppose if y is equal to 3, which means x by x plus 1 is equal to 3. Then if you solve, right? So it will be what? 3x plus 3 is equal to x, right? This side, this side. So it will be 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Everyone understood this concept? Everyone? Every single of you? Jayati, Srishti, Afsa, Bhavani, Darshan, Aditya. Ahad is here. Ahad is not here, I guess. Ahad
Sir,
is
I
here.
am here.
Ahad. You are getting Ahad? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Where you are getting? Shrishti, Shirisha, Tanish. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. राधिका, नंदिनी, मेघना, प्रहलाद, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा ना 3 मेथड, राइट? एक स्प्लिटिंग, सी स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म, देन कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर्स एंड देन formula, direct formula. All the three are actually the methods to solve quadratic equation ना, है कि नहीं? Right? Okay? Okay. So see, this is what we have done, right? See this. Agree? Tell me, agree? So the answer was what? Minus 3 by 2 and minus 2. Now, this is type 1. We will just discuss the type, right? Let's see how can we differentiate the different types. Now, this is your type 2 or same concept, right? It is based on almost same the concept. Now, think about it. Think about it. In this case, what will be the substitution? You can think. In this case, what do you think? What do you have to substitute? What do you have to substitute? Think about it. What do you have to substitute? Think. Very good, Vikas. Very good, right? Very good, Prahlad. Yashila, correct. See, all of you are getting the concept, na? Very good. Now, there's one more thing. So, if you are getting this concept that, okay, x plus minus 1 by x should be equal to y. So, what about this? What about this? Obviously, this is not y square, na? This is not y square. Yes or no? Right? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to not x minus 1 by x ka whole square. It's not equal to that. But I can write it in like this. But I can write it in form of this. This is because we know that x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to what? Tell me, is equal to what? No, Prahlad, we cannot write it. Yashila, we cannot write it. What is this? Think about it. Yashila, it is plus. It is not minus. No, Yashila, it is plus. Think about it. What is x minus 1 by x whole square? Very basic, very basic. What is x plus 1? Sorry, x minus 1 by x whole square. A minus b whole square. It is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Yes or no? Yes, Vaishnavi. Very good, Vaishnavi. Correct. Right? Very good, Navya. Correct. Now, don't you think that this is nothing but y square? Y square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Yes? Agree? Agree, everyone? Clear? Yes or no? Everyone is getting this concept? Everyone, think about it. This is the substitution. So can I say, okay, if I can write it like this, I can say x square plus 1 by x square. I'll take minus 2 to that side. It will be y square plus 2. As simple as that, right? As simple as that. Okay. Yes, everyone got it. Why? This will become y square plus 2. Anyone have any issue in this? Tell me. Anyone have any issue in this? Think about it. You have to think. If you have any issue, please ask. Think and ask. Clear? See, because I should not get this from any of your parents that sir class में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है? This is very important chapter. I have already told you na in the start that this is very important chapter. Yes or no? See, Prahlad, step by step, right? Step by step. Yashash, answer me this. What is the spelling of apple? Yashash, what is the spelling of apple? Can we write in some other way also? Like instead of P, can we use Q? Why not? We should, na? Like, why? There must be some other way, na? Okay, so I guess after putting, okay, you can just solve. We will get a quadratic equation y, which is very simple to solve. Now we know that. Okay, think about it. We know that this y is equal to x minus 1 by x. So suppose this is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, first case, this is equal to 0, which means x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Why it will be y to the power minus 2 square? Why? Like why it will be like that? If y is equal to 0, then it will be what? X square minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Agree with this or not? Right, everyone? Tell me. Vikas, you're getting this concept, Vikas? Because what is a plus b whole square? Tell me, what is a plus b whole square? It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, na? Plus 2ab, right? And what is a minus b whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you can get a square plus b square from both, right? But if you're getting from this equation, then you have to take this to this side and become minus 2ab. But if you are getting a minus b whole square, if you take this to this side, you will get plus 2ab, right? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no, which means if I have to write a square plus b square, it can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a minus b whole square plus 2ab, right? This should be pretty obvious. Yes or no? This should be pretty obvious. Agree? Okay. Now, Prahlad, what we have to do what, right? Take this to this side, cross multiply, then take minus from this side. It will be what? Step by step, do it, na? Do it. Then only you can learn. Don't, Prahlad, see, don't be dependent on me, right? Don't be dependent on me, right? Don't just wait for me to do the step. Do it, right? Do it. Then only you will learn now. Then you will learn. So it is x is equal to 1 by x. Cross multiply, x square is equal to 1. Then this to this side. Then you will get this, right? What was that, right? What was that which you didn't understand in this? Think about it. Mark it down, right? Which step you didn't get. Then think what you didn't get, right? Got it? This is how you try to improve your concepts. Okay? Clear, Prahlad? Prahlad, understood this? Okay. No, you said the last step. That's why I thought. Okay. Now, see, after this, right? X squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So obviously it is a square minus b squared. So it will be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now there's one mistake that you guys should have might have done. X squared is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1. Yes or no? This is something that you must have done. How many of you did this mistake? Tell me, how many of you did this mistake? Right? So obviously, but we know that when we have x squared is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1, na? Yes or no, right? Or you can just use this, either this 0 or this 0. So x minus 1, 0, right? Then x is equal to plus 1. And if x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1, right? Everyone, tell me, right? Okay, so this is one mistake that we used to do, but we don't need to do this mistake, right? We can improve on this mistake. Okay, yes, very good, Yashila. Now, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then again, right, cross multiply this first, take the LCM, we will get what? X square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Yes or no? By taking the LCM, this is what we get step by step, step by step. I'm giving time to grasp. Then cross multiply, then we will get what? X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Then this 3x will come this side. So what we will get? X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, very good, Vaishnavi. But I guess you made a very small mistake, Vaishnavi. No, ठीक है, correct Vaishnavi, correct. Okay, so x will be equal to what? Minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. है ना? Put करो, आ जाएगा आंसर. Agree? Tell me, agree? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? I hope all of you understood this. Last step, once a formula, right? We have formula na, minus bx is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the formula. So ये question आ गया मेरा, right? है ना? ये question आ गया x by 1. So after taking LCM, I will get x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. And cross multiply and transpose, I'll get this equation. Right? In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to, tell me, minus 3, and c is equal to minus 1. Right? So after putting, we will see that x is equal to 3 plus minus root of 9 plus 4 by 2, which is 3 plus minus root 13 by 2, right? Clear? So obviously in this case, we will have 4 solutions, yes or no, because the power was 4, right? 4 solutions. Clear? Take your time, take your time. Okay, very good, Krishna. सृष्टि समझ में आ रहा है? जयती, आदित्य, अफशा, अहद, अहद समझ में आ रहा है अहद तुमको? दर्शन, आदित्य, जानवी, भवानी, y के कितने वैल्यूज है? टेल मी, y के कितने वैल्यूज है? y के 2 वैल्यूज थे ना, y इज इक्वल टू 0 था और y इज इक्वल टू 3 था, है ना? राइट, y के 2 वैल्यूज थे, क्लियर है कि नहीं? सो अगर y की 2 वैल्यूज है तो एक y इज इक्वल टू 0 से हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया प्लस माइनस 1, क्लियर? ना y इज इक्वल टू 3 भी तो सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा ना हमें, है कि नहीं? y इज इक्वल टू 3 भी सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, तो y का वैल्यू तो ऑब्वियसली x माइनस 1 बाय x था, तो इज इक्वल टू 3 रख दिया हमने ना। इसको सॉल्व करना है ना, इसको सॉल्व करना है, सो ऑब्वियसली x माइनस 1 बाय x, राइट, को सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? सोचो, एलसीएम लेंगे ना, x और 1 का एलसीएम कितना होता है? x divided by 1, x only, so it will be x square minus 1 is equal to 3. ये समझ में आ गया? यहां तक समझ में आया? यहां तक समझ में आया सबको? ये स्टेप समझ में आया? yes or no? Tell me. So after cross multiplying, we will get x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. ठीक है? Then this will go this side. We will get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. ये सबको समझ में आ गया? कृष्णा समझ में आया ये? उसके बाद बस ये फॉर्मूला पुटिंग गेटिंग है ना, बस फॉर्मूला पुटिंग गेटिंग है, राइट? x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, this whole by 2a, right? Formula putting getting है, clear, right? Okay, now very good everyone. Now this one, see again, right, these are difficult problems, right? Obviously these are difficult problems, that's why I'm telling you, right, how to solve it, है ना? Because you can solve similar problem like that. These problems will try to improve your intuition. Okay, okay Bhavani. Now ये क्वेश्चन लग रहा है कि नहीं? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन लग रहा है. How many of you think like this? How many of you think that this is a very beautiful question? And this is what critical thinking is all about. One step, एक step, this problem will become like this problem. एक step तुमको बस करना है, ठीक है? एक step के बाद ये problem जो है ना वो पिछले problem जैसा हो जाएगा. एक step, only one step, just one step, and that one step is intuition. Okay, जो तुमको सीखना है, जो तुम क्वेश्चन देखकर 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं सीख सकते, ठीक है? That is your intuition, right? How to think about that first step, right? Think about it, think about it. I'll give you some time, okay? Think about it. हम लोग different type of quadratic, that is a hint, right? Since the equation is symmetrical, na, equation is symmetrical, divide every term by x square, divide every term by x square. How many of you got it now? Tell me, how many of you got it? अब समझ में आया? पिछला क्वेश्चन बन गया क्या? Yes, very good everyone, right? If you divide everything, then you get something like this. Yes or no? Right? Now you can keep this, right? ये ऐसा बन गया, पिछला क्वेश्चन जैसा हो गया. Yes or no? Exactly हो या नहीं पिछला क्वेश्चन जैसा? Think about it, right? It will become x square plus 1 by x square, right? Plus 2 bracket x plus 1 by x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now इस केस में बस x plus 1 by x is equal to y रख लेंगे. Now tell me, is there any difference between this problem and the last problem? Tell me. अब बताओ, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है क्या? सोचो एक बार. I'm not converted प्रहलाद, मैं बस अरेंज किया ना, ये x स्क्वायर यहाँ था, ये 1 by x स्क्वायर यहाँ था, तो मैंने साथ में लिख दिया. ये 2x था, ये 2 by x था, तो मैंने 2 कॉमन लेके साथ में लिख दिया. एज सिंपल, मैंने और कहाँ कुछ किया. Now you're getting what I always mean to say. What is intuition? Right? Now, can you solve it? Tell me, can you solve it now? Tell me, can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we just saw that x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to what? X plus 1 by x squared, if you talk about. So it will be 2 plus, right? 2 plus x squared plus 1 by x squared is x plus 1 by x whole square, right? Hana? 2, yes. So I can say x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to, now this is y, so y squared, this will go that side, minus 2. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? So this will become y squared minus 2 plus this will become 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. अब वे मैंने वही समझाया ना अभी, तुम एक बार सॉल्व करके देखो तो सही. देखो एक बार क्या होता है. x plus 1 by x whole square क्या होगा? x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 तो इस साइड है ना, उस साइड जाके क्या हो जाएगा? टेल मी, उस साइड जाके क्या हो जाएगा? -2 हो जाएगा ना. क्लियर है? और y is this, so this y square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So this will go that side. I can say x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. Clear everyone? Tell me, clear? Everyone is clear in this concept? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you are getting the concept of substitution, है ना? ठीक है? Okay, I could have given you easy problem, 10 easy problems to solve. You would have just applied the formula, putting and getting, right? But you have whole year to do that, right? Now, a question, tell me, question do? Okay, so ठीक है, ये सबको समझ में आ गया? This question all of you understood? Yes or no? Have you solved it? Solve it.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Take your time. I'll give you time. Solve it. Find
Sir,
me the
answer is
answer. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x, है ना? मैंने इसकी जगह प्लस हो गया, is equal to, put करो -5, then solve. It will be x square plus 1 by x is equal to -5. Then x square plus 1 is equal to -5x. This will come this side, x square plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Okay. Yes, very good Vaishnavi, very good. So इसको solve करने पे आएगा दो equation, then 3 लोगे तब solve करने पे दो equation आएगा, है ना? It is, yes. Try to solve it. Okay, you will get something like this. Yes, very good. तो ये सबको समझ में आ गया? बताओ, ये सबको समझ में आया? किसको दिक्कत है इसमें? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this point? Anyone have any doubt till this point? I will give you some problems to practice, okay, right? But I just want you to learn how to think about different type of problems. Now, think about it. Think about it. अगर मैं तुमको ऐसे दूं क्वेश्चन, right? Think about it. बताओ. Now, actually, hey guys, my internet is playing hide and seek. It is getting disconnected again and again. So point is x 4 to the power x plus 1 is plus 2 to the power x plus 3 plus is equal to 1. What I will substitute? How can we convert this into quadratic equation? How can we convert right? Now think about it. Think about it. First of all, I hope all of you remember the properties of exponents and radicals. How many of you remember the properties? Raise your hand. Class 7th में जो पढ़ा था हमने, कितने लोगों को याद है? कितने लोगों को याद है? सबको याद है? So can I write like this? 4 into can I write like internet will be disconnected? Can I like this? Yes or no? Can I write like this? Very good. Now, do you see something over here? Do you see something over here? Right? अब इसमें किसको y मानेंगे? बताओ किसको y मानेंगे? What do you think? किसको y मानेंगे? सोचो एक बार. किसको y मानेंगे? Tell me guys. किसको y मानेंगे? Very good वास्तव. Very good पुनीत. मैं कुछ लिख नहीं रहा ना. मैं कुछ लिख ही नहीं रहा. Very good Navya. So I can say 2 to the power x को मैं y मानूंगा. 2 to the power x equal to y because 4 to the power x is actually 4 to the power x is actually 2 to the power x whole square. Yes or no? Yes or no? 4 to the power x is 2 to the power x का whole square. Any issue in this? By the properties of exponents? Yes or no?
Sir, 4 to the power x, 4 into 2 to the power x होगा ना?
A to the power x to the power y or a to the power y to power x Is it same or different? Yashash, tell me, is it same or different?
Same.
बचपन में पढ़ा है, बचपन में मतलब क्लास 7th में, ये भी 8/xy होता है, ये भी 8/xy होता है, right? 4/x is equal to 2 to the power 2 का whole x, which is 2 to the power 2x, right? Which can be written as 2 to the power x whole square. Yes or no? Yes or no? बेसिक्स फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना है हमको, ठीक है? क्लियर है? राइट? गॉट इट? एवरीवन गॉट दिस? यस और नो? सेवेंथ कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? नाउ डोंट यू थिंक नाउ दिस इज इजी, नाउ दिस इज ओके, क्या बोल दिया सर, बहुत इजी हो गया। तो ये हो गया क्या? 4y² + 8y = 1 हो गया कि नहीं इजी? मतलब मैंने तो रैंडम दिया था, मैंने रैंडम क्वेश्चन दिया था, यू डोंट हैव टू सॉल्व, बट आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट. यस और नो? यस और नो? यस? किसको दिक्कत है इसमें? बताओ किसको दिक्कत है? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me, anyone have any doubt till this point? प्रहलाद, इस पीडीएफ में बहुत कुछ है, ठीक है? Right? There are many things in this PDF which you guys have not studied now and will study next year, right? हर चीज अभी तो ही ना पढ़ा पाएंगे हम, ठीक है? So I'll upload something, right? No, this is not RD Sharma. Okay, so that's why it is a beautiful question. Now think about it, right? Everyone think about it. Navya, Vaishnavi, Yashash, Krishna, Prahlad, Meghna, everyone think about it. Satvik, Shrishti, Janvi, Ahad. Okay. Now एक चीज बताओ. Yes, very good Bhavani, very good, right? But थोड़ा सा और गलती हो गया, नहीं करेक्ट, सही है, वेरी गुड, सही है भवानी, वेरी गुड. अगर तुम ओशन में से 1 बाल्टी पानी निकाल लोगे, कितना पानी बचेगा बताओ? If you remove 1 bucket of water from the ocean, how much water there still will be? Tell me, कितना बचेगा? Same, infinity ही. Yes or no? I hope all of you understood this concept. Yes or no? Right? Nothing will happen. Right? Same. Agree with this? So if this is going to infinity, and if it is repeating, even if I remove this one term, suppose you remove this one term, remove it, right? Still, this whole term, right, will be same as x. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, that is the trick. Okay, of any problem involving infinity. ये तो एक जैसा है, एक और ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, right? Find the value of, evaluate, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, ऐसे √2 plus √2 plus √2 plus √2 plus √2 and so on, right? Till infinity, right? So I hope all of you understood. Just put it as y is equal to this, और एक टर्म छोड़ बाकी सारा टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? y is equal to √2 plus y. ये उधर चला गया, so y² is equal to 2 plus y. Got it? Tell me, got it everyone? Yes? Clear हो गया concept? Yes or no? How many of you got this concept clear? Right? Okay, very good. So I will, today I will, and notes also of this, ठीक है? कोई मेथड का नाम नहीं है इसका, it is intuition, right? Not all method have names ना, ठीक है? very, very. इसका तो ये easy one. This one also you can practice as much as possible. I'll send with, right, first I'll send without solution. Okay. Yes, yes. Not root 2. Complete, because we have taken complete term. This whole complete term as y. है ना? Whole complete term. That's the beauty of infinite series. Okay. Got it, Purvi? Got it? Jayati? Okay, very good. Right? Okay, everyone. I hope all of you understood quadratic equation. Okay, please watch through videos once again. Make your notes. I'll upload one notes. Okay, right? And some questions also for practice. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.